Hello everyone. Today we will continue HTML and understand how a real web page is structured from the beginning. This is a very important topic because every website you see is built using this same foundation. Step 1. Basic idea of a web page. A web page is not random content. It always follows a fixed structure, so the browser can understand it properly. No matter which website you open, the starting format is always the same. This structure is called HTML structure. Step 2. Basic HTML structure. Let's look at the standard format. Doc type HTML greater than, a head, title, my first page title, head, body, HTML greater than. Now we will understand it step by step. Step 3. Deep understanding, step by step. 1. Doc type. This tells the browser that the document is written in HTML5, meaning, browser, read this page as HTML format. Without this, the browser may not display the page correctly. 2. HTML tag. This is the root of the entire web page. Everything is written inside this tag, meaning, it is the container of the whole website. If this is missing, the web page has no structure. 3. Head section. This section is not visible on the web page. It contains information about the page that is used by the browser, meaning, background information area. Users do not see this part. 4. Title tag. This defines the name of the web page. It appears on the browser tab. Example, Google tab shows Google, so this helps identify the web page. 5. Body section. This is the visible part of the web page. Everything users see is written inside this section. Examples, text, images, buttons, links, meaning, this is the actual screen content. Step 4. How browser reads HTML. The browser reads the page in this order. 1. Opens HTML file. 2. Reads doc type. 3. Starts HTML structure. 4. Reads head information. 5. Sets title. 6. Displays body content. Everything happens step by step in sequence. Final understanding. HTML always follows a fixed structure. HTML equals main structure. Head equals hidden information. Body equals visible content. Browser reads everything step by step.